Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm kind of crouched over because I am here to bring you a unboxing, setup, and review of the Amazon Basic 4 shelf. It's a classic wire shelf racking system. I have a brand new empty garage here that I'm setting up and I needed some shelves. I thought I would give these a shot. So what do you say we unbox them, set them up, and then I'll let you know what I think of them quality-wise and setup-wise. Let's get to it. Oh, by the way, before I open this box, if this kind of video is helpful to you, please hit the this below at the bottom of the screen. It means a lot to the channel. Thanks a lot. Let's check it out. Okay. We have shelves, which we expected. The hardware, these are the sleeves that's used to connect the shelves to the vertical rods. Spacing, which supports it. There we go. How about those? Plus, my dog is interested now. Hi, buddy. How are you? You want to introduce yourself? Say, my name's Kona. I'm hanging out with my dad in the hot garage in Florida, and we are setting up shelves. That was very nicely done. Very nicely done. These would be the instructions. Okay, pretty straightforward. First up, we are going to put the feet on the bottom. All right, let's check it out up close. All right, I'm gonna pull it out in the sun here, just so you can see it a little easier. So anyway, it's very nice, good quality. Again, it is 355 pounds per shelf, which I think is a little excessive for the size, which is nice. Just means it's gonna be super durable. A couple tips and thoughts on this kind of thing. It is always very nice that these are completely adjustable. You can take them off, reposition the fasteners anytime you want, customize the height of the shelves to whatever you want. A little bit of my personal pro tip for the garage. I leave a little bit showing on the top here, which makes it nice if I want to like hang a hose or hang an extension cord off, anything like that. I just hook it on here, hang it over. That's just one of my things that I like. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. I would have to say this is a quality product. I mean, can't go wrong with this. For what it costs and what it is, that's great.